Unboxing, Kenwood electric ceramic hob. The Kenwood electric hob is supplied with one scraper, for fixing clips and screw and a seal. Power supply of 32 amp and electrical power rating 6.2 kilowatt. For cooking zones with a size of 54 by 600 by 520 millimeters and a weight of 7.7 kilograms. Hob power of front right and back left, 1.2 kilowatt. Front left, 2.1 kilowatt. Back right, 1.7 kilowatt. Power boost mode: switch the heating element on at maximum power so that the pan will get so hot as possible in the shortest amount of time. And it's only available on the front left cooking zone. On or off control with child lock feature, which prevents the hob accidentally being switched on. The default smaller cooking zone in the back right can be activated to extended cooking zone when using larger pans. Pause control. Minute minder or time control, which allows to set minute minder up to 99 minutes, and an alarm sound will sound when the time expires. Verdict: 5-star. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.